This is a quick tutorial on how to use the 1 litre and 500 milliliters dispensing bottles. Gently push down on the child-resistant cap and unscrew it from the bottle. Then, carefully remove the protective seal. Choose between the 2 spouts depending on your preference and fuel filler neck access. Sometimes a spout isn't required at all. Screw your chosen spout onto the bottle. A dosing chamber is located at the top with a measuring scale on the side. To fill the dosing chamber, gently squeeze the bottle until it fills to the desired quantity. Refer to the instructions on the bottle for the correct dosage ratio for the product you are using. Pour the product from the chamber into the fuel tank. Squeeze, measure, and fill until the desired amount of product is dispensed. Remove the spout and replace the cap to seal the bottle and keep the contents fresh. When finished, wipe the funnel and store it in the pouch provided.